Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now, let's solve for x, and don't forget that this one is a hyperbolic function. So, in normal trick, this is tan x, okay? So, tan x is sine x over cos x. So, and the hyperbolic, this side will be tan x. We add h. It's the same as sin x over cos x. And sin x is the same as e raised to x, okay, minus e raised to minus x on 2. This is the same as half of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x. That is for sin. Now let's look at cos. So this side will be e raised to x plus e raised to minus x on 2, which is the same as half of e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. Now with this, let's solve for x, given tan x equals to sine 30. Okay, so remember this side will be sine over cos x, and sine 30 is simply half. Okay, so from here we can do substitution. Okay, so sine x, that is half of e to the power x minus e to the power minus x. So from here you can say half of e to the power x minus e to the power minus x on the cos half e to the power plus e to the power minus x equals to half. So we can do cancellation here. This one will cancel. I will leave it. E to the power x minus e to the power minus x on e to the power x plus e to the power minus x equals to half. So we can do cross multiplication from here. 2 times that, have 2 times e to the power x minus that equals 1 times that e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Okay, so let's expand. 2 times e to the power x to the power minus x e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. So can we group like terms here? So 2e minus, okay, minus 2e raised to minus x minus e that. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. That will be e that. And we have minus 3 equals to 0. So from here we can say e to the power x minus 3. So this one is the same as 1 on e to the power x equals to 0. So let t be e to the power x. So we have t minus 3 on 1 on t equal to 0. So we have t minus 3 on t equal to 0. So times t times t times t, that will be t squared minus 3 equals 0. T squared equals 3. Therefore, taking square root on both sides, t will be plus or minus root 3. But the solution, we are after e to the power x, so we can recall. So let's recall. E to the power x is the same as t, but t, so let's look at the positive result because you take log on both sides, so we have to ignore the negative. So when we have e to the power x equals to root 3, we have two ways. You can take log, okay, of base c to this, okay, or you can use ln, the same thing. So ln of e is 1, so let's take ln of both sides. So this one is a power rule, that will be x ln of e ln of root 3. This side is 1 and my x is ln of root 3. Alright, so subscribe for more exciting videos.